I think Boxabl really has found something really unique here, especially for those that often look at this type of product as bespoke, based on all the things you do to it, and getting it there and everything else. So I really like the idea that Boxabl says, here's our product, the quality you can expect every single time, no matter how many you buy, and the delivery on it is pretty amazing. So, yeah.
We're here at IBS 2025, here with our newest product, the Baby Box. So this is a $20,000 home on wheels, easily deployed, fully built out from the factory. Let's go take a look. So what you'll see here, this is in the unfolded configuration. So this is how you would do it once you set it up in person. Once you walk inside, you'll see even though it's only 11 by 11, you have a pretty spacious living area here with a couch and a TV, and then all your important stuff like closet space, storage, a kitchen, and a full bathroom here as well. This packs up to be about 6 feet wide, and it's on a trailer, so it's super easy for us to ship this, for you to set it up, and it comes with everything you need. Let's go see how it looks folded. So what you'll see, that same product right over there folds up into this footprint. So you'll see right here is the roof, this is the floor, and then the wall panels are in here as well. It's designed so that one person can set it up really fast without any tools. So all you would have to do is lift the roof up, drop the floor down, unfold the two walls and click them, and you're in a good spot. These products also have tanks, so you have fresh water, gray water, and sewage, as well as batteries and all of the additional accessories there. So it is designed to be able to be used off-grid. You can also hardwire it into a 110 and a water supply, and you're good to go. You'll also see, because it's on a trailer, it's on a traditional tow hitch here. So if you're in a regular pickup truck, minivan, any of those types of products that have a tow hitch on it, you hook this thing on, fold it up, and you can take it wherever you need to go.
We're having a lot of people coming up asking if we're having tours down the road, just 10 minutes to our facilities. So stop by if you want to sign up. We're also offering a bus here, a shuttle that can get you up to our facilities.
Boxabl is one of the problem solvers. I actually learned about the company a couple of weeks ago and immediately invested. There's a real future for what they're doing.
It's an amazing facility. I would say it's definitely built for growth with 3 large buildings, I believe 40,000 square feet. And very impressed with the organization. Just everything is very tight.
We're from Tennessee, and we've been interested in Boxables for probably about 4 years now. We think they're an amazing company. I would love the townhouse that we're seeing today.
I've been so excited to see the second story, walk in it and look at it. Absolutely amazing, I love it. And these are, I know, just prototypes, but it's exciting.